For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Australian opener David Warner has said that with two back-to-back T20 World Cup slated in 2021 and 2022, and with a young family at his disposal, he might have to take a call on his T20 international career for Australia. Warner has played 79 T20 internationals for Australia since making his debut in 2009. England pacer Stuart Broad becomes only the 7th bowler and the 4th pacer in the history of Test cricket to bag 500 wickets. The feat came on day 5 of Manchester Test against West Indies when he dismissed Craig Braithwaite leg before wicket for just 9 runs. Australian opener David Warner has jokingly said that the England team management should drop Stuart Broad from the playing 11, and they can do that when they're 2 down under for Ashes in 2021. Broad has dismissed Warner 12 times in Test cricket, 7 of those coming in the Ashes 2019 played in England. On day 5 of the Manchester Test, England defeated West Indies by 269 runs and with it also clinched the series with 2-1 margin. Stuart Broad was named man of the match for 10-wicket haul in the game and for scoring 62 runs in the first innings. Chennai Super Kings spinner Imran Tahir has said that the 1-run loss to Mumbai Indians in the 2019 IPL final still remains a painful memory. Tahir picked 2 wickets in the final but could not stop Mumbai from clinching its 4th IPL crown in Hyderabad last year. The BCCI and the IPL Governing Council have started drafting plans for the upcoming edition of the Indian T20 League to be played in the UAE. The Governing Council will meet on Saturday to finalize the plans and then meet with primary stakeholders. Former Indian opener Akash Chopra is of the opinion that Test cricket might have seen the last of Shikhar Dhawan, and it is highly unlikely that he will play the longest format for India again. Dhawan last played a Test match in July 2018 and hasn't been a part of the Test team since then. Chelsea winger Willian has received offer from 5 clubs, 2 of which are from the EPL, according to his agent Kia Jurabchin. Williams' contract with Chelsea ends this season and he has been unable to reach an agreement over his extension with the Blues. Spain football legend Xavi Hernandez has said that his ultimate goal is to coach Barcelona one day, where he has spent majority of his playing career. Xavi is currently the head coach for Al Sadd in Qatar and is looking forward to the new season.